All right, welcome to Module 11. In this video or this module, we're going to look at creating the Discover screen, right, to be able to search for users and for posts. So to get started on this, and we will also be covering, some aspects of the profile view as well, because certain things are, again, like we discussed, are not available on this screen until we actually build this screen out. Okay, and you'll see kind of how that works in just a second. I'm actually going to create two tabs here, one for users and posts that the person can click on to search for different things. So to start that, what I'm going to do is just create. Let's go ahead and add just some text here, and I'm actually just going to make this, let's make it gray instead of black, and we're going to leave it kind of this kind of light text rather than the bold, and let's change the text to be users. All right, and I'm just going to create kind of a copy of this and make sure that the edges of this are touching, or the ends of this are touching, I guess. And we're going to call this one posts, right? And let's go ahead and